Congratulations! You've been accepted at the Estonian Business School. Hi, I am Mike and I'm happy to tell you what you need to know as an exchange student. Estonia is a unique country, a land of seasons. It changes completely 4 times a year in colour, light, temperature and sounds. It's incredible to experience the midnight sun in June and white snow in December. Estonia is a land of contrasts. It's urban and rural, medieval and modern. Located between east and west, it provides you with a rich variety of different perspectives and cultural contrasts. Estonia is a progressive e-society. We enjoy a wide range of e-solutions like e-residency, e-government, e-health, e-school and also e-parking. Estonia produces more startup companies per head of population than any other country in Europe. If you want to found your own company and you've applied for a local ID card, you can do it online within 15 minutes. Estonians are sometimes thought to be a little quiet and reserved, but they are actually warm, hospitable people once you get to know them. And they all speak English. Prepare yourself to take an active part in your studies as well as social life. As the founder of EBS always says, modesty is a virtue, but no one will praise you for that. One tends to have more success in life without it. Before you get to experience all this, remember to find accommodation. Read the student guide online. Let us know your choice of courses. Don't worry, we are flexible should you change your mind. You'll have 2 weeks to change courses after they've started. Get to know the OIS and EBS Study Information System, which has all the important information you need. Clarify any necessary documentation that your home university needs. Take a look at our YouTube and Facebook channel. Check out the academic calendar and let your friends know when to come and visit. And make sure you bring entry visa, only for non-EU students, study motivation, a sense of adventure, and a big smile. Oh, by the way, a transcript of your grades will be sent to your home university within a month of the end of your studies. Have fun and a successful time with the Estonian Business School.